Hello students, you are connected to your online English class, and in today's class we are going to continue with chapter 5, nouns and its cases. It is given at page number 21. Today we are going to start the exercises of chapter 5. It's turn of exercise number 5.1. In this exercise, we see pick out nouns and write the case of each in the following sentences. Class, we have read that there are three types of cases of nouns: nominative, objective and possessive. So we have to see to which case the following sentences belong to. In the first sentence, we see the gardener is watering the plants. Now, the gardener is working as a subject here, as who is doing the work, who is doer of the action? The gardener. So gardener is the subject. So it will belong to the nominative case. I am writing the initials. Later on you can write the full words. The gardener is watering the plants, and the word plants, it is working as the object of the verb watering. So plant is the objective case. Gardener is the nominative case, as it is working as the subject in the sentence, and the word plants, it is working as the object of the verb watering. So it will belong to the objective case. In the second sentence, we are having my father's assistant is typing a letter. In this case, we see that apostrophe s is applied after the word father. So it will belong to the possessive case. Father's assistant. Whose assistant we are talking about? Father's. So father's, it will belong to the possessive case. And assistant. Assistant is working as a subject here. So it will belong to the nominative case. And the word letter. Letter will belong to the objective case, as it is working as an object of the verb. So we see my father's assistant is typing a letter. Father is the possessive case, assistant is the nominative case, and letter is the objective case here. Next is do not pluck flowers. Flowers ko mat todo. So here we are having only one case, that is flower. Flower is working as an objective case, as it is the object of the verb pluck. Pluck is the verb here. Next is, how is your grandmother's health? In this sentence, we are having apostrophe after the word grandmother. So grandmother's, it will belong to the possessive case. It will belong to the possessive case. Now health. Whose health we are inquiring about? Grandmother's. So how is your grandmother's health? Now health is the word that is working as an object. So it is belonging to the category of objective case. Next is Madhuri dances beautifully. So Madhuri, who is the subject in this sentence? Madhuri. Madhuri is the doer of the action. काम को कौन कर रहा है? Madhuri. So Madhuri will belong to the nominative case. Dance is the verb and beautiful is the adverb here. Next is I phoned Shreya yesterday. Now I phoned Shreya. Whom I phoned? Shreya. So Shreya, this word will belong to the objective case, as Shreya is working as an object to the verb phoned. In sentence number 7, we are having always follow your teacher's advice. Now class, what to follow? Always follow what? हमेशा क्या follow करना चाहिए? Your teacher's advice. So teachers, it is quite clear that teachers is the possessive case here, and advice is working as an object here. Objective case. In order to find out the objective case, we have to apply what and whom to get the answer. Always follow. Always follow what? क्या follow करना चाहिए हमेशा? Your teacher's advice. So teachers is the possessive case and advice is the objective case here. Next is the newspaper carries several stories. So we see that the newspaper word is working as the nominative case, and the word stories, newspaper carries what, क्या होता है न्यूज़पेपर में, several stories. So the word stories is working as an objective case here. Stories is the object of the word of the verb carries. In sentence number 9, I like your proposal. I like what? I like your proposal. So proposal is the objective case as it is working as the object of the verb like. Next is don't spoil company's reputation. Now again company's word will relate to possessive case due to the presence of apostrophe s, and the word reputation, it will belong to the objective case. Don't spoil company's reputation. I hope class that this exercise is quite clear to you. Now it's turn to move forward towards exercise number 5.2. In this exercise, write down the possessive form of the following. Now the following words are given in elaborated form and you have to write the possessive form of the given sentences. Now here we are seeing a course for a month. You know that in possessive case we have to apply apostrophe s. So a course for a month, it means a month's course. So you will mention here a month's course. In next one, the suggestions of Mr. Andrews. Now we see that the suggestions of Mr. Andrew, in order to write these words in possessive form, we will apply apostrophe after Mr. Andrew. Mr. Andrews. Now class, be attentive here that here we are talking about a single person, a singular noun, and the word is ending with the letter s. So it is up to us whether to apply only apostrophe or apostrophe s. You can apply both. Mr. Andrews' suggestions. Mr. Andrews' suggestions. Because according to the rule, whenever we are talking about a singular noun that is having ending in s, we can use both, only s or apostrophe s. It's up to us. Next is the technique of the engineer. So the possessive form will become the engineers. The engineers. Of whom technique we are talking about? The engineer. So the engineer's technique. You will write it here. Next is the wages of the laborers. Now you will write the laborers. Now you are having this noun is in plural form. So you will write apostrophe s like this, the laborers. Now T will become capital, the laborers. Now you are having here apostrophe, but this noun is plural in its structure. So only apostrophe will be added here. The laborers' wages. I hope that these rules are quite clear to you. At number 5, we are having the funds of the employees. Now class, we see that employees is a word that is relating to plural nouns. Employees is a plural nouns. So we will write the employees funds. We will only apply apostrophe after the word employees because it is relating to plural one. Next is the hostel for women. Now notice that the word is written here women means more than one woman. So it is also belonging to the plural form. So we will write women's hostel. You will write apostrophe s, because this is, although this is plural one, but it is not ending with the letter s. Next is the bathroom for ladies. Now you will write ladies bathroom. Now class, notice the point that ladies is ending with the letter s here. So you will only apply apostrophe. You need not to write apostrophe s, because this is the plural case. ये noun जो है वो plural case से relate करता है, and the last word, last letter is ending with letter s. Ladies bathroom. The rivers of India. So you will mention India's rivers. Next is the stories written by Ruskin. So Ruskin's stories. At number 10, we are having the distance of a mile. So you will mention a mile's distance. A mile's distance is the possessive case of the given words. Next is the distance of 100 miles. Now notice that this is 100 miles. Miles is in plural form. So you will apply 100 miles, only apostrophe at the place of apostrophe s, because we are talking about the plural case and the last letter is ending with s. The last letter is s. So we will only apply apostrophe. 100 miles distance. Next is the notes given by the teacher. The teacher's notes. Next is the notes given by the teachers. Now the sentence is similar, but here we are having the plural form of the noun. Here teacher is given, here teachers is given. So the teacher's notes, because the teacher's word last letter is s. So you will only apply apostrophe. Next is the huts of the farmers. The farmers' huts. Same rule is applied here. Farmers is the plural case of noun and the last letter is s. जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट लेटर एस में एंड होता है, प्लूरल केस हो, तो वहाँ पर ओनली आप अपॉस्ट्रॉफी लगाते हैं. यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी विजिलेंट रिगार्डिंग दिस. नेक्स्ट इज द नेकलेस ऑफ मिसेस मिन्हास. मिसेस मिन्हास necklace. Although the Mrs. Minhas is a singular form, but the last letter is ending with s. The last letter is s. So it is up to you whether to write only apostrophe or apostrophe s. Both will be corrected. The rights of people, people's rights. The property of the railways, the railways property. The railways is a plural form here. The railways, only apostrophe will be applied. The railways property. The orders of the prime minister, the prime minister's orders. The service of the company, the company's services. The call of nature, nature's call, nature's call. So class, these were your exercises 5.1 and 5.2. I hope both the exercises are quite clear to you. Just do it by your own for more practice. Thanks for watching the video. Good.